Hey guys, this is Chris from We Do Easy Tutorials, and today I'm going to teach you how to download custom zombies onto Call of Duty World at War. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this website, which is zombiemodding.com. I'll leave a link in the description. And you're going to go up here to the top where it says downloads, hover over it and click downloads. And then you're going to see all the maps that have been uploaded to this website. On the right, you're going to see most downloads of the maps. So I'm just going to pick an easy one, which is Cheese Cube. A lot of people like Cheese Cube. So you just click it and it'll be a mirror download or primary download. You just click primary. And once that gets done, all you have to do is open it. This box will pop up. All you have to do is click install. Uncheck start menu shortcut and click finish. Now go to your game and open up your game. Once you open up your game, click mods, and it should be right here. Or you can double click it, or you can just click it and click launch. It'll exit your game, and then it'll pop back up, and you can click solo or co-op. I'm just gonna do solo. And there you go. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. Thank you.